Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff's collection. It's in the box. The box is even in good shape. This is a Rhapsody AM radio, model RY-648. I believe it's an 8 or a 9, either one. He says it's a 9. I looked at his notes. He says it's a 9. And boy, did I struggle with this radio. And I'm going to show you why, kinda. So here's the radio. Nice looking little radio. AM only. Carrying strap. Plastic, of course. Uses a 9-volt battery. Includes the instruction manual, which don't need too much instruction on a basic AM radio, and the product warranty was never sent in. Now, here is the struggle I had. This uses a 9-volt battery, and it took me over 15 minutes to put the battery in and then get the case back on. I thought I was never going to get it back on. I thought I was going to have to use some tape and just tape it shut so I could do a show. But I got it in. I don't know the secret. I just kept twisting and turning and twisting and turning, and finally it got in a position where the case would close. So it's now operational. Don't know the vintage of this. Jeff got it off of eBay for $15. 5 transistor. It's new, old stock. I mean, just brand new, but it's an old radio. And here we have on-off volume and the tuning knob and a little hard to read tuning dial. So we're going to turn it all the way down to the bottom of the band, right there, and then we'll turn it on. I say we'll turn it on, get my fat fingers on there. And I might have it too loud. Let me turn it back down. And of course the stations are that way, so you have to hold the AM radios this direction, which I will do. And I will slowly tune it.
That they're in a tough spot. That encouragement goes a long way for that little boy, though.
You completely lose it when you don't have it in the right direction.
He said rules without relationship.
Let me turn the volume up some.
Josh stole it from. And we repeat that often here. But it is so good because it's
Don't have it tuned in properly.
Had the rules, but didn't have the relationship. You know, Solomon uses the word 3 times.
There we go.
Proverbs 3:1-6.
Yeah, it's still static there. And that's a strong station.
In your head. I tell.
Let's go to Navy and Air Force. And the military. Yes, Navy's undefeated, and Navy.
Boy, it is really tinny. It's amazing what they've done with small speakers that really sound amazing on new radios. Okay, I gotta get my finger in the right spot.
It's the daytime, coughing, aching, sore throat, fever.
Restricted military collapse. And in 3.5 was an author.
Doing pretty good. Local stations.
Either OMF is
Exactly correct. Yes, nothing.
That's the top of the band. Like I say, it's really a neat looking radio. Perfect condition. That's why he calls it new old. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios so I can show them to him. Oh, there's the earphone jack. Didn't have a telescopic antenna because it's AM only. It's by Rhapsody. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye.